Hi, you asked to see how the settings works in Jolla. So let's go to settings over here. So this is the default screen of the settings. Here you can see at the top of the page you have these quick access buttons to flight mode, mobile data, wireless network and GPS. And you can also remove these if you don't need these. Remove. So, and you can adjust the brightness and default ringtone volume. And at the bottom of the screen there's system settings, apps and accounts. And system settings, first you have display. There's not so many things to do here, only the brightness and is it automatically or not, and what is the sleep time. Let's go back. And then we have the sound and feedback. You can change the ringtone, internet call, message, chat, email, calendar, clock, tones, ringtones from this menu. I don't have so many ringtones. Actually, I think I have only this Jolla ringtone, yeah. I can also use select music files. Do I have anything? Let's see. Let's try. Okay. I don't know where it fetches these music files, because I have some music in my SD card, but it didn't find it. Okay, so and here at the bottom of the page you can turn on or off these feedbacks, system sounds, touch screen tones and touch screen vibration. And flight mode, it's really simple, turn it on or off. Same thing here in wireless networks. You can choose from the upper menu connect to internet, fetch for new wireless networks, or turn it off or on. It also remembers the networks that you have been using. Mobile network. Here's my settings. I don't allow any data roaming. One feature is here. You can choose which network mode to prefer. And I have now 4G SIM card in this mobile phone, but this version of Sailfish doesn't support 4G, so I only can choose between 3G and 2G. And then let's go to Bluetooth. Yeah, I can search for devices if I have my Bluetooth on. I tried to search for my Macintosh, MacBook Air. It worked, but they found each other, but they didn't send any files or anything like that. USB. Default USB mode. It always asks now when I plug this to my computer, do I want to use only charging or also PC connection? But as I said earlier, so when I tried to use this PC connection, I didn't see this as a USB device in my computer. Maybe in the future updates. And location. Yeah, here I can get the agreement, but I can also turn it on or off. Really simple. Then this sync menu. I don't know how to use this. I don't know what I can sync with this device. It doesn't have any options, only this screen. So no idea about this. Backup. I can make backup from my applications or my gallery pictures or things like that. I tried to make one backup at the same day that I bought this phone. It worked, so I could restore my phone to that part. Okay, device lock. automatic locking means that, I don't use it because I don't know why, I'm lazy, I think, but it uses a PIN code, so you can choose which of or your own PIN code to unlock the device. Developer mode, I haven't tried this yet. I hope that I will have some time to test also this one. Language, it has quite many languages: Danish, Dutch, English, but it's missing still a lot of languages. Text input, I have active keyboard Suomi as Finnish, but I can also choose the same keyboards that the languages were. And it also has Chinese virtual keyboard. And about, here's some technical information. I have used my memory, 4.2 gigabytes. My Sailfish OS is 1.0.0.5, named Ajan Lampi. Bluetooth address, things like that, some legal information. And I can also check for updates. And then I have my battery information. I have only 12% of battery still. And transfers. In this window, I can see everything that I have downloaded, or everything that's happened. Like this means that it has the Google sign over there, and it has synced my Google account or something like that. But if I download something from the internet, pictures or maybe some application APK, so it comes to this window, and from this window I can open those. And data counters, how much I have used my data. I have used mostly the wireless connection, received 1.1 gigabytes, and used a little bit of the mobile data, only 100 megabytes. And in this, and in this window I can also clean these counters, or clear these counters. And also I can reset the whole device. But in the settings I also had these apps, so it's showing that I can change some, I can change some settings of my applications, for example phone. I can make the call forwarding and things like that. Messaging, for the SMS center number. Browser, I can change the search engine, Google, Bing or Yahoo, or I can clear the private data. Camera, I can change the resolution. I have, let's try that. I haven't tried that. 8 megapixels, but 4 to 3. Front camera. Front camera isn't that good in this device, but well, for me that's nothing because I never use this front camera. People settings. There's few options, so last name first, blah blah blah, and I also can import contacts from SIM card. Email, I can include some signature. Now it says sent from my Jolla in Finnish, and change how often it syncs. And rest of these applications, or not rest, but most of these applications are Android applications, so I cannot access those settings. And the last one is accounts, and here's all the accounts that I have linked to my phone. I can add new accounts, here's the options at the moment. I hope that they will include more options also, maybe Instagram or something like that. So those are the settings in Jolla. Bye bye.